Today in math, we're going to continue learning about our flat shapes called two-dimensional, 2D shapes. A flat shape is flat. You cannot hold it. So something that is solid, a solid shape, you can hold. You can see it. It can move around differently. But a flat shape is flat as a piece of paper. So let's start with our flat shapes. Let's start with our DLO, and then we'll go over our shapes. Our DLO today. Today I will find and describe a flat triangle. Now it's your turn. Today I will find and describe a flat triangle. All right, let's review all of the shapes that we've learned so far. What shape is this? Square. Squares are special because they have four equal sides. Four equal sides. That means that all of the sides are the same. I shouldn't have hung that up yet. All of the sides are the same length. So equal means the same. We've learned that before in all of our equations. It has four sides that are exactly the same length. And it has four vertices. Say vertices. Those are the corners. The corners. The corners are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I can hang it up. Let's put up our square. Our next shape is a hexagon. Say hexagon. Hex means 6. So say hex. 6. When I write the word 6, if I've got the number 6 and I write the word 6, S-I-X. There's an X in 6 and there's an X in hex. So that's how I help myself remember that a hexagon has 6 sides. Excuse me. A hexagon has 6 straight sides and 6 vertices. So let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides and 6 vertices. A vertice is the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a hexagon. Hexagons are not easy to find, but I'll give you some examples when we learn about the hexagon. Next one is a, what is that? Rectangle. Say rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides, like a square, except a rectangle has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. The sides are not the same. The 2 short sides are the same. The 2 long sides are the same, but the long and the short, they're different. So it has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 vertices. A vertice is the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. A rectangle. Lots and lots of items that we see are rectangles. Next one. Triangle. Say triangle. The word tri means 3. I guess a syllable. Tri. Tri means 3. So like a tricycle has 3 wheels. A triceratops dinosaur has 3 horns. Triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And it has 3 vertices. A vertice is the corner. 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. And that's the shape we're going to focus on today. Our flat triangles. Last one. This is an easy one. What shape is that? Circle. So a circle has 0 straight sides and 0 corners. It is just one continuous line, around and around and around. So a circle has no straight sides, no vertices. It's just curve, big curve. So today we're going to focus on our triangle. So I want you to think about items that might be a triangle. So look around your room, look around your house, try to find something that is in the shape of a triangle. I wonder what could be a triangle. Did you have a slice of pizza last night? When we cut out our pizzas, it's in the shape of a triangle. It has 3 sides. I have a magnet that is a triangle because it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. It's for a pizza company, actually. What else can you find that is a triangle? 3 sides. So after you find an item in your house that is a triangle, oh, the flag's on here too. Triangles, they're all little triangles. We're going to do the triangle worksheet. Let me grab it. I left it over here. Okay. So we did square. On the back of square is triangles. So looking at our worksheet, you're going to trace it. On this side it says trace and count each side in a color. So pick one color. You could do one color. If you did 3, you could see the 3 colors. But then you'll trace the sides in a crayon or a marker or colored pencils. And it says how many. Those are sight words that we've learned. How and many. And a question mark. How many? How many sides does a triangle have? 3. Tri means 3. Down here you're going to draw a triangle with 3 sides. And then down here you're going to count and circle, or circle and count the vertices. The vertices are the corners. So you'll circle them 1, 2, 3. And it says how many? How many vertices does a triangle have? 3. Then you're going to look at the pictures down here and only color the ones that are triangles. If it is not a triangle, cross it out. Only color the triangles. So take a peek, color the triangles. One more thing I want to show you is that sometimes our little kindergartners get confused with shapes when they're shown a different way. This is what I mean. So if I take my triangle and I turn it sideways like this, is it still a triangle? Think about what a triangle has to have. A triangle has to have 3 sides and 3 vertices. I turned my triangle sideways, but it still has 3 sides. It still has 3 vertices. So it doesn't matter how I have my triangle, it will always be a triangle no matter which way I flip it because it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Same thing with a rectangle. A circle, it doesn't matter because it's the same all the time. But a rectangle it will always have 2 short sides, 2 long sides. And if I turn it sideways, it is still a rectangle because I still have 2 short sides, 2 long sides. So it doesn't matter if I'm crooked, if I have it flat across this way, or if I have it tall, it will still be a rectangle. Excuse me. Let's do square, because some of you get confused with the square. If I have my square, actually I'll leave this in here, my little notepad will be better. If I have my notepad, which is in the shape of a square, it has 4 equal sides. All of the sides are the same. If I turn it this way, a lot of the kids in class keep calling it a diamond. It's not a diamond. A rhombus would be the shape they're thinking of, but a diamond is a rock. And a rhombus is a different shape. It looks like a square, but these are squished in more, and it's skinnier. It's like a skinnier squished in square this way. So if I have a square that has 4 equal sides, because that's what makes a square, and I turn it, it is still a square because the sides are still equal. It still has 4 vertices. So we'll keep reviewing that so that all of our kids understand that it doesn't matter how our shapes are facing, they still keep their attributes, their sides and their vertices to stay the same shape. So now it's your turn to find some triangles in your house and do your triangle worksheet.